Lesson 11-7, the coordinate system, and in this lesson you learn to graph ordered pairs of numbers on a coordinate grid. And when are you ever going to use this? Knowing how to locate points on a coordinate grid can help you locate places on maps. Okay, words that we are going to learn in this lesson are coordinate system, coordinate grid, origin, y-axis, x-axis, quadrants, ordered pairs, x-coordinate, and y-coordinate. Okay, so Patrick is studying the map of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He wants to take the subway to visit the Liberty Bell, which is located here. He notices that there is a subway station located at the intersection of Market Street, okay, and Fifth Street, right there. Okay, so if you look at this map, okay, this map looks very similar to what we are going to talk about today, which is called the coordinate system. So points can be located on a coordinate system, just like how Patrick located the subway station, which is the intersection of Fifth Street and Market Street. Okay, so let's look at the words that we need to learn here. So the coordinate system or a coordinate grid consists of a horizontal line, this is your horizontal line, and a vertical number line that intersect at their 0 points. Okay, and when you talk about, let me make this thin for now. Okay, they intersect at their 0 points. The point of intersection is called the origin. So right there, okay, is your origin. Okay, and your origin will consist of the ordered pairs 0, 0, and talk about that later. So this is your origin, that there, right there. Okay, the horizontal line is called the x-axis. So this is your x-axis right here. Okay, and the vertical line is called the y-axis. So this is your y-axis right there. Okay. The x-axis and the y-axis divide the coordinate system into 4 quadrants. Okay, so this is quadrant 1. We'll put it in Roman numerals. Quadrant, sorry, I forgot the T. And I'll just put Q here. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. And this is quadrant 4. Okay, so point P is located in the 4th quadrant. Okay, point P is 3, -5, so it's located in the 4th quadrant right here. That's point P. Okay, the first number in the ordered pair is the x-coordinate. So when you have point P being 3, -5, the first number is your x-coordinate. Okay, and the second number is always your y-coordinate. Okay, and they're called ordered pairs. The reason why they're called 3, -5 is called an ordered pair because they are always in this order. X-coordinate goes first, y-coordinate goes second. So the first number will always be your x-coordinate and the second number will always be your y-coordinate. Okay, so let's take a look at example number 1. Name the ordered pair for point A and identify its quadrant. So you have point A. We want to identify the quadrant of point A. So first, this is what we need to do. Okay, start at 0. Okay, move left along the x-axis until you are directly under point A. So we start at the origin, move left 1, 2, 3, 4 until we are directly under point A. Okay, since you moved 4 units to the left, the first coordinate of this ordered pair is -4, as you see there. And then from there, after moving 4 units to the left, okay, move up parallel to the y-axis until you reach point A. So move up parallel to the y-axis until you reach point A. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, since you moved up 3 units, the second coordinate of the ordered pair is 3. So the ordered pair for point A is negative 4, 3. So this is negative 4, 3, point A. Okay? Point A is also in the second quadrant. Okay? Let's go to example number 2. In example number 2, before we do that, you can also graph a point on the coordinate grid. To graph a point means to place a dot at a point named by an ordered pair. So we want to graph B, point B, which is negative 3 and negative 4. So how do we do that? Let's do it by steps. First, start at 0, move 3 units to the left on the x-axis because it's negative 3. So 3 units to the left will mean 1, 2, 3. That's 3 units to the left. And then from there, move 4 units down parallel to the y-axis to locate the point. Y down because it's negative 4. Okay, so we move down, okay, parallel to the y-axis again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then make a point, okay, place a dot and label it point B. So we'll label it point B. And that's where point B is, where point B is negative 3, negative 4. Okay? Let's take this one step further. In example 3, we want to graph point C, point D, and point F. And letter A, it's asking to draw segments for segment CD, DE, EF, and FC. Letter B, it's asking what kind of figure is formed. So let's start. Let's graph point C. Okay, point C is 0, 1. So since x is 0, we don't move any unit to the left or right of our origin. And since y is 1, we simply move 1 unit up. This is now point C. Okay, and let's graph point D, which is 5, 1. Okay, x coordinate is 5, so we move 5 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the left. And then 1 unit up because it's positive 1. So this is point D. Okay? And let's graph 3, negative 2. Again, 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3. And then 2 units down because it's negative 2. So we go down 1, 2. So this is point E. Okay? And finally, let's graph point F, which is negative 2, negative 2. Negative 2 is our x-coordinate, so we go 2 units to the left, 1, 2, and 2 units down, 1, 2. This now becomes point F. Okay? Now it's asking us to draw segment CD. So draw segment CD right there, and segment DE right there. Okay? Segment EF. And finally, let's redo that segment, not that straight. Segment EF, and then segment FC. Okay, so after drawing all those segments, we want to find out the figure formed, and it is a parallelogram. Remember what a parallelogram is? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which two sides are parallel to each other. Okay? And that's our lesson. The secret word for today is turbo. Secret word is turbo. And thanks for watching.